DeepSeek V4 Flash is a massive neural network containing 284 billion parameters. Executing a model of this scale has traditionally required the high-bandwidth interconnects and multi-million-dollar cooling systems found only in centralized cloud server farms. Dwarf Star, or Ds4, was built specifically to break that requirement. Developed in bare metal C, it is a hyper-specialized inference engine designed to execute this single model architecture on localized firmware. To utilize this engine, your hardware must meet a specific memory threshold. This requires a unified memory architecture, typically an Apple Silicon Mac with at least 128 gigabytes of RAM, or a professional workstation equipped with high VRAM NVIDIA or AMD GPUs. By moving this level of intelligence out of the data center and onto a localized machine, the entry point for frontier-level reasoning drops from a massive corporate capital investment to the cost of a single professional workstation. The installation begins with the source code. Instead of using a pre-packaged installer, you clone the repository and compile the engine directly in your terminal using a single make command. Note that this is not a general-purpose runner. If you attempt to load a standard, generic gguf file from an external source, the engine will likely crash. It requires a wait format tailored specifically to its internal logic. This diagram illustrates asymmetric quantization. It compresses the peripheral routed experts to an aggressive 2-bit format while preserving critical attention layers at 8-bit precision. This reduces the footprint to 81 gigabytes, fitting the massive 284 billion parameter model inside a 128 gigabyte unified memory limit. You must navigate to the repository and download these specific Ds4 compatible weights to begin. By abandoning the overhead of a general-purpose framework in favor of model-specific compilation and asymmetrically targeted weights, the engine makes local frontier intelligence a physical reality. Launch the local agent using the command line interface. Because the engine is optimized for the hardware's native APIs, the initial boot sequence takes roughly 17 seconds. However, in standard AI setups, feeding the model a long codebase requires a prefill phase, where the GPU must calculate the context for every existing token. In a 100,000 token session, this calculation can take minutes of pure compute time. Instead of recalculating context, Ds4 serializes the active memory state into a persistent key-value file on your SSD. On a warm restart, it loads that file directly into VRAM, skipping the prefill phase and restoring a 32,000 token context in under 8 seconds. For users attempting to run this on machines with only 24 gigabytes of VRAM, the engine can page these weights from the disk. However, the continuous high-volume data transfer required for this streaming will rapidly consume the write life of a consumer solid-state drive. Treating the local drive as an active extension of memory removes the latency penalties typically associated with long-context agentic workflows. Modern GPUs have massive compute power, but they are bottlenecked by how fast they can read weights from memory. Generating text one token at a time is inefficient because it leaves the GPU's processors waiting for data. You can bypass this memory wall by enabling speculative decoding via the terminal, which forces the hardware to work in parallel. This timeline shows the process. A lightweight draft model guesses several future tokens at once. The massive main model then verifies those guesses in a single parallel pass. If correct, the engine generates multiple tokens simultaneously, increasing raw throughput by up to 400%. Beyond speed, you can manipulate the model's cognitive style in real time using the directional steering flag. By applying a numeric scale, you push the model's activations along specific semantic directions. You can force the AI to become hyper-succinct or extremely verbose without ever modifying the underlying weights. Mastering these flags gives you direct, low-level control over both the generation velocity and the behavioral persona of the model. You are now operating a frontier-level reasoning engine entirely disconnected from the internet. Your internal documents and proprietary source code never leave your machine. By removing the connection to third-party cloud pipelines, you eliminate the data leakage risks inherent in centralized AI services. To verify the setup, point the agent toward a local project folder and use the built-in editing tools to refactor your code. This proves that state-of-the-art intelligence is no longer restricted to corporate cloud APIs. It can be compiled and executed directly on the workstation in front of you.